To begin the presentation of our business model canvas, we would like to introduce our customer segment. We will be targeting owners and other higher-ups in the food industry, ranging from chain businesses to smaller-scale businesses with industrial kitchens. The benefits sought by our customer is to maximize their business's profitability. The shared behavioral trait is the time spent operating their business, which includes cleaning their kitchen. Psychographically, these customers are concerned with the cleanliness in their kitchen and are focused not only in keeping their kitchens clean, but in trying to reduce the amount of time spent cleaning to increase efficiency and profitability. To address these customer needs, we have created the Sanitizing Sous Chef. This is a vacuum system that is designed to conveniently remove messes, both wet and dry, in the prep station of the kitchen. Our product allows for a faster, more effective cleaning of the kitchen. The purchase of a Sanitizing Sous Chef will allow businesses to be more profitable, as they won't be required to spend as much time cleaning, in turn allowing them more time for revenue-gaining activities. Along with that, restaurants would be able to more easily meet the cleanliness standards of customers and the government. We will now address the various channels we will use to build our brand as well as to distribute our product. To raise awareness for our product, we will begin with cold calling companies to expose them to our product and give them a chance to access its value. As well, we will contact test kitchens and culinary schools and convince them to try our product free of charge to gain some feedback and use their approval as a testament to the quality of our product. To sell our product, customers will use the online store to place orders or simply call to purchase over the phone. Delivery will be done by truck with the option to have the product installed. This service will allow for our employees to provide customers with training for the product, further building our brand and our customer relationships, which is our next step in the business model canvas. Customer relations are built through the previously mentioned cold calls. The cold call is an opportunity for the representative to build a rapport with the customer. Any further meetings will strengthen the relationship between our brand and the customer. As mentioned in our distribution channels, the installation process allows for the team to build a relationship with the individual buying our product. The rest of the customer relations is done through a user-friendly website for automated purchases with the option to call into our office if there are any questions. The initial source of revenue will be the sale of the lower-margin Sanitizing Sous Chef unit. The Sanitizing Sous Chef unit is akin to the razor handle of the bait and hook model. By extension, the replacement vacuum bags operate similarly to the high-margin blades. Since our vacuum units are smaller than the average system, these bags are specialized and can be sold on a relatively high premium. Additional revenue will be generated from the optional installation services we provide. However, this will be on a much smaller margin due to the wages of the employees tasked with this job. The important element here is to link back to building customer relations, as the installation and training process provides an opportunity to strengthen these relationships. In terms of partnerships, a partnership with a vacuum supplier would need to be established to provide the vacuum system. Partnering with franchises would supply our product in all their individual chain locations for an easy, standardized cleaning method. Additionally, partnerships with local restaurants would be established in order to supply our product in their restaurants, providing them with a more efficient and effective cleaning method. To acquire said partnerships, we would establish a separate partnership with culinary schools by providing them the opportunity to test and use our product for free. This, in turn, would hopefully yield endorsements from these culinary schools. Due to the saturated vacuum market, plus the immense cost required if we chose to internalize production, we decided to outsource the production of the vacuum units. A partnership would be created with an existing vacuum company who would then supply the vacuum system for our product. A vacuum head and hose would then be internally manufactured and attached to the vacuum system to allow for seamless integration during the installation process. In addition to this, the vacuum bags required for the system will also be internally manufactured. Following the production of the vacuum head and hose, an installation team would then deliver and install the product directly into the kitchen. In order to ensure businesses are aware of our product, we will promote our product by arranging meetings with existing establishments that utilize industrial kitchens. Within these meetings, we can leverage the endorsements we have gained through giving our product to culinary schools. Key resources of the business include the patents for the hose and the head of our product. Another key resource is the supplied central vacuum systems that would be provided by our supplier as previously mentioned. Like other businesses, infrastructure such as the warehouse that stores our product as well as the fleet of vehicles at our disposal for delivery and installation are also key resources. The online website is another necessary resource as it provides the platform for customers to contact us as well as place orders for our product. Lastly, our staff is also a vital resource as they provide the primary point of contact between our brand and the customers. Finally, the cost of goods sold will make up a large part of our expenditures. The manufacturing of the hose and vacuum head, as well as the vacuum bags, will be done in-house, and costs associated with this include the manufacturing site, machinery, wages of employees, as well as the required supplies. Costs associated with the installation and delivery of the product include employee wages, as well as the gas, equipment, and any supplies required. Taking these high costs into account, we are confident that revenue gained from the sale of our product and additional vacuum bags will cover the cost of our startup. As with any new business, becoming profitable can be a challenge. However, with strong business model planning, we are confident we can turn our unique idea into a well-established and legitimate business.